Welcome back. Happy New Year. So many of you are feeling the holidays in your waistline and you feel bloated and all these different things. So I have been asked, what cleanse should I go on? And or what juice should I drink? And I tell people all the time it's not gonna work. And then I have the naysayers. They said, oh, I've done the juice cleanse and it's worked. I said, oh, really? Okay. So tell me more about how each juice is maybe 200 to 300 calories at most, and you are taking away food that actually has nutrients and minerals and aids in digestion, and you're replacing it with just sugar water, essentially. And it does have some trace vitamins and minerals. So you've taken from eating 2,000 calories a day to eating 600 calories a day. Now tell me more about how this is going to benefit you in the long term. So here you do a juice cleanse for so many days, or you do a meal replacement shake 3 times a day. So here's what I'd like for you to do. I'd like you to take a Snickers and eat it 3 times a day for a week. So you're gonna have a Snickers bar for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I guarantee you will lose weight. Now people say, Brittany, that's not healthy. That's not healthy to have a Snickers bar. It's just fat. No, who cares? You're not doing this for health. You're doing this because you want to go on a cleanse and you want to lose weight fast. So you can do the same thing with a Snickers bar as you would with a juice. My point here is that those quick fixes, those juicings, those cleansings are all temporary. It's not a lifestyle. So basically, just get back on the bandwagon, get to meeting your protein goals, hit your calories every single day because you don't want your body to deregulate and downregulate that metabolism. So hit your protein, stay within your calorie goals, drink lots of water, sleep. I mean, it's not that hard. So let's just keep each other accountable and getting back on the bandwagon and sharing recipes, exchanging ideas, and we are going to be good to go come February.